Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Rakshit from Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering. Today we are going to discuss about significance of Microsoft Excel and other equivalent softwares in estimation. The power of Excel in estimation. Microsoft Excel is a versatile tool widely used for estimation, data analysis, and decision making. In this video, we'll explore the capabilities of Excel in the context of estimation. First, we'll go to introduction about Excel. Excel is a user-friendly interface. Excel, which offers a familiar and intuitive interface, making it accessible to users with varying levels of technical expertise. Versatile functionality. Microsoft Excel, which provides a wide range of features including data entry, calculations, data visualization, and analysis tools. Widely used. Microsoft Excel is widely used across various fields. It widely spreads adoption across industries, makes it a valuable skill for professionals in various fields. Spreadsheet fundamentals. Cells. The basic building blocks of a spreadsheet used to store data and perform calculations. Rows and columns. Organize data vertically and horizontally, providing a structured framework for data management. Formulas and functions. Enable complex calculations and manipulations, automating data processing and analysis. Formulas and functions. There are few formulas and functions like sum adds a range of numbers, average calculates the average of set of values, if performs logical comparisons and returns different values based on the conditions. We look up search for a specific value in a table and returns a corresponding value in the another column or a row. Data analysis tools. Pivot tables summarize and analyze large data sheets, providing insights into data patterns and trends. Data sorting and filtering organize and filter data based on specific criteria, enabling focus, analysis, and reporting. What if analysis? Explore different scenarios and evaluate the impact of changing variable on outcomes. Scenario analysis and sensitivity testing. Scenario creation. Define different sets of input variables to represent potential outcomes. Data table generation. Generates tables that show the results of various scenarios based on defined input variables. Sensitivity analysis. Evaluate the impact of variables on the overall. Graphing and visualization. Bar charts ideal for comparing values across categories. Line charts effective for visualizing trends over time. Pie charts show proportions of a whole. Scatter plots analyze between various. Financial modeling and forecasting. Model development construct financial models based on assumptions and historical data. Scenario analysis. Explore different financial scenarios and their potential impact on the business. Forecasting. Generate projections and predictions based on model results and historical trends. Project management and budgeting. Gantt charts. Visualize project timelines and task dependencies, providing a clear roadmap for project execution. Budget tracking. Monitor project expenses, track resource. All the information ensures adherence to the budget constraints. Collaboration and data sharing. Shared workbooks. Multiple users can simultaneously access and edit the same spreadsheet, facilitating collaboration. Data sharing option. Export data in various formats, enabling easy sharing with colleagues and stakeholders. Cloud integration. Store and access spreadsheets from anywhere with cloud storage services. This is my presentation on the Excel or are there any softwares which are used in the estimation. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching my video. Please do like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.